Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around tour of our 2014 Audi RS5 Cabriolet we have new in stock. This particular vehicle comes with a long list of specifications, some standard and some optional. I'm just going to walk you through the features you get on this particular car. To begin with, you've got the Crystal Pearl Effect Panther Black metallic paintwork. You've also got the optional 20-inch 5V spoke design alloy wheels with the diamond turned facing. The red painted brake calipers as well as an optional feature. You have the sports package as an added optional inclusion as well on this car. That gets you the Sports Suspension Plus with the dynamic ride control, dynamic steering and the sports exhaust with the darkened tailpipe finishers at the rear of the car. You get the matte silver styling package as a standard inclusion. That gets you the grille surround, front splitter attachment and the mirror caps and window surrounds in the matte silver titanium look. You can see on the front of the car with one of the gloss black trim inserts, you've got the radar as well on the front. That's part of the driver assistance package, which gets you adaptive cruise control, Audi parking system advance and active lane assist. You've got a full leather interior. The optional features on this car continuing onto the inside as well. You've got full electric functions with lumbar support on the side of the driver and the passenger seat. The Bang & Olufsen sound system on the door cards. Electronically folding exterior door mirrors. The flat bottom lever wrapped multi-function steering wheel is a standard inclusion. You can see access to your adaptive cruise control from the left stick underneath the indicator stalk. On the centre console area you've got some of the carbon fibre inlay trims. These are also standard inclusions. These run throughout the door cards and across the dashboard. You've got your infotainment controls on here, your drive selector, your push to start button. You've got the advanced system as a optional inclusion, which allows you to enter the vehicle and start the car without using the key. You've got your climate control functions further up with access to your heated seat controls as another optional feature. And then your centre screen where you've got access to some of your in-car features such as DAB radio, which is standard, the high mobile phone preparation as an optional feature. You've got some of your dynamic driving modes accessible from here, and also again your reversing camera, which was part of your driver assistance package. If you would like any more information, would like to book a viewing or a test drive on this 2014 Audi RS5 Cabriolet, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire for our website.